HIV, or human immunodeficiency virus, has had a profound impact on global health since its discovery in the early 1980s. Understanding the origin of HIV is crucial for developing effective treatments and prevention strategies. In this video, we'll explore the early theories, scientific discoveries, and the current understanding of how HIV originated and spread. HIV was first identified in the early 1980s when unusual cases of pneumonia and Kaposi sarcoma were observed among young gay men in the United States. Initially, there were many misconceptions and theories about its origin. Some speculated that the virus was a result of contaminated polio vaccines used in Africa. Others believed it to be a man-made virus created for biological warfare. However, scientific research soon began to uncover the true nature of the virus. Through patient interviews and epidemiological studies, researchers identified key populations and transmission routes. Blood samples from patients revealed the presence of a novel virus, distinct from other known human pathogens. The discovery of the virus in blood samples from the late 1970s and early 1980s marked the beginning of intense scientific investigation into its origins. Extensive research led scientists to discover that HIV is closely related to the simian immunodeficiency virus, SIV, found in primates. Genetic studies have shown that HIV-1, the most common type of HIV, originated from a specific strain of SIV that infected chimpanzees in Central Africa. This spillover event, where SIV crossed species to humans, likely occurred when humans hunted and consumed primate meat, coming into contact with infected blood. Further studies revealed that HIV-2, a less common and less virulent strain of HIV, originated from SIV infecting Sudi Mongabay monkeys in West Africa. By comparing the genetic sequences of HIV and SIV, scientists were able to trace the evolutionary history of the virus, identifying multiple cross-species transmission events. Tracing the history of HIV, researchers found evidence of the virus in stored blood samples from the late 1950s and early 1960s. By mapping the genetic mutations of the virus, scientists were able to estimate that HIV-1 first entered the human population around the early 20th century. From Central Africa, the virus spread globally, with significant outbreaks in the 1970s and 1980s. Historical records and epidemiological studies indicate that the virus spread from rural areas to urban centers through trade routes, migration, and social disruption. The post-colonial period in Africa saw significant social and economic changes, which facilitated the spread of HIV. The virus eventually reached the Americas, Europe, and Asia, leading to a global epidemic. Modern genetic studies have provided a deeper understanding of HIV's evolution and spread. Researchers continue to study the virus to develop better treatments and preventive measures. Efforts to create a vaccine are ongoing, and advancements in antiretroviral therapy have significantly improved the lives of those living with HIV. Current research focuses on understanding the mechanisms of viral transmission, mutation, and resistance to treatment. Scientists are also exploring the potential of gene editing technologies, such as CRISPR, to target and eliminate HIV from infected cells. In conclusion, the origin of HIV is a complex story involving scientific discovery and global health challenges. Continued research is essential to combat HIV and prevent future pandemics. By understanding the history and science behind HIV, we can better prepare for and address the challenges posed by this virus. Public health initiatives, education, and global cooperation are key to controlling the spread of HIV and improving the lives of those affected by it.